Good afternoon, everyone. Is my
Good,
voice?
good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, yes, sir. Let's start the class for today. So, in the last class, we were discussing about the linked list, right? So, we started with the types of the linked list, and we discussed about the single linked list and also the double linked list and operations of the double linked list, right? So, can any of you tell me how to insert a node in the single linked list? Let's say if the position is at the starting of the linked list, how do we insert a node? Yes. Sudeep, Sudeep Roy. Yes, Sudeep. What happened? See, if you are not responding, then I'm not taking the attendance for you. Okay, fine. Sudeep is not there. Yes, tell me who can tell? Who else? Yes, Aman.
Ma'am,
Yes,
did you call Aman? I just
yes,
joined.
yes, Aman.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
Sudeep, ma'am, there was some network issue, that's why I had to leave.
Okay, okay, fine. So tell me, Sudeep, if we want to insert a node in the linked list at the starting of the linked list, if we want to insert for a single linked list, how do we do that? How do we do that?
Okay, ma'am, first we have to declare a pointer, that is a node, which we will insert, and then first we will then point the first node, which is the head. So what we'll do is the the node which we created, the that pointers next we will point to the head, and then the head we will
No, no, the sequence is different. Yeah, first we need to insert the node, the next, the pointer, the link
yes
position
ma'am,
with
yes,
the head value.
yes
Okay,
ma'am,
so that a link will be created between this node which you currently want to insert and the next node which was already there. Okay,
yes ma'am. The head node will be, we will replace it with the
nodes.
new pointer that we created.
Yeah, right. Okay. So yeah, we have seen various operations like this, and today we will continue with that. We'll see for the circular single linked list as well as circular double linked list, and what are the respective operations of it. Okay. Let me share my screen first. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, great. So let's say for circular single linked list, so the idea is what? Along with the forward direction, it also directs from the last node of the linked list to the first node back. Okay, we have a connection between that as well, right? So for that, when we want to create a node, okay, create a node in the single linked list. So what would we do? So we have to create a head pointer and tail pointer, then the node, a blank node, and let's suppose I want to insert a value as 5. Okay, and the address of this is 111. Now what would I do? I will update the node dot next with what, which value? The same value of this address, because it is self-referential, right? So I'll update it with 111, and I'll update head with 111, so that a connection between the head pointer and the node will be there. Similarly, a connection between tail pointer and node will be there. So that's why I just want to update that value with this null value with 111 as well, right? So that is the code which creating for a single circular single linked list, creating a node. Okay, create a blank node, node dot value assign, node dot next is the node's value, the address, head equal to node, tail equal to node. Okay, now let's see how do we insert a, one minute, how do we insert at a any position in the circular single linked list. So let's suppose we are going to insert a new node in the starting of the position. Let's suppose the node address is 666 and we want to insert the value 5 here, right? And so what would be the node dot next? Now it will be this value, this pointer will be what? Yes guys.
Can you repeat the question once again, please?
So this is a new node we are creating at the starting of the linked list, right? Of a circular linked list. So circular linked list, remember the connection goes by, if you see, we are having node 1, node 2, node 3. As we had, instead of node 6, this value is earlier single linked list, it was not pointing to any node, that's why this value was null. Now we are pointing to the next node, which is the node 1 here in this case. That's why we are keeping the address of node 1 here, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I want to insert a new node here at the starting position with the address 666, now what? How do I get a connection between this new node and the node 1? This one. What do I do?
By taking the address of the node 1.
Node 1, yes, right? So we'll update with 001. So we have gotten a connection between this. Then this will be updated with yes, right? Then this head will be updated with the new node's address. That's why then it will point to this new node. Okay, now what is this it? This is for the single linked list. Now what next can I do? Yes? Anything else is remaining?
And
This is
last node should be connected to
yes,
the
yes. Last
new
node
node.
is new node. So I will keep the address of this. So the new node. So this tail dot next would be now address of, you can say, head. Head is now containing 666. That's why you are updating with head. Okay. So that a connection between this and this will be there. Okay. So this is at the starting of the position. Clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Now let's see, while creating at the end of the linked list, we want to insert another node. So what do I do now? Here, let's suppose I want to insert value 70. Okay, so node value is 70. And what would be the node dot next here? So earlier node 6 was the last node. It was pointing to the first node. So first node's address it was keeping. So first node's address now will be kept where? Here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now this link is created. Now what will happen? This also we need to update the tail dot next. Okay. I'm talking about this link now. Now to connect between this and this node 6 and the new node, what would I do? I will update the address of this node tail dot next with uh, what? With the node value 666. That is the node value, right? And one more thing I will update here. Tail will now point to a new node. So tail also will be updated as 666. Okay. So this is at the last this thing. Okay, now let's see how are we going to insert in between. So this is, I think, what we have done just with the help of the single linked list. Same idea would be there, right? So if we want to insert a node in between node 3 and node 4, so you reach till node 3, okay, then just previous location, then what will you do? You assign a value as let's suppose 35 here. Okay. Now node dot next will be what? Node dot next will be, here we call this as a temp node, right? We are just traversing with the help of a temporary pointer, so that will be saving the address of this one. So temp node will, so first for saving this one, like for node dot next, what we need to do, we need to have a connection between this new node and node 4. That's why we will keep the address of this 333 here. So this 333 here coming as temp node dot next. So node dot next is temp node dot next. This is temp node dot next is this one. Okay. Right now temp node dot next also will be updated to have a connection between this node 3 and new node. That's why temp node dot next would be updated with 666. It is just as we have what we have seen in the single linked list. Okay, these three things are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is what the logic says. So first we are taking the head reference, then the node value which you want to insert and which location you want to insert. So when you are creating the, first we are creating the blank node, you are just assigning the node value with whatever value you want to insert. Then you are inserting in which position. So for that you are checking whether the linked list is available or not. Okay, then otherwise you are going for which location. So let's see, if equation location equal to 0, then you are doing node dot next equal to head, head equal to node, and tail dot next equal to head. Similarly, if you want to go for the last location, then you are doing node dot next equal to head, tail dot next equal to node, where you are creating the reverse link back with this node 6 with the new node, and tail equal to node, you are updating this one. Similarly, if you go for the third one where you want to insert any position in between, so what you do is you traverse till from starting to the previous location of the node which you want to insert, where you want to insert, and what you do is you put node dot next with temp node dot next, and temp node dot next you update with the current node value which you want to, node's address value which you want to insert. Okay, so this is the insertion part. Now traversal is, as here what we have seen, we are just starting from like checking whether head is null, that means there is no linked list, otherwise we are looping through head to tail, and we are checking, we are just printing the current node. We are just traversing this one, and just if you want to visit the node, if you want to print the node, you can print the node simply. Similarly, searching the node also as before, as like single linked list. So what you are doing is you're checking, you're taking the node value, whatever value you want to search, then looking through, you're taking temp node and from start to tail. Okay, now you are just checking if this temp node, that value equal to your node value, so it will check each and every node with respect to the node value and printing till, otherwise if there is no value available with which is equivalent to this node value, then you just say that there is no value found. Okay, now let's go for the deletion of it. So deletion also, you can delete the first node, you can delete the last node, and any node in between. So let's suppose we are deleting the first node. So if I want to delete the first node, what would I do? So how do I delete? I want to assign this head with now node 2. So this one I will update with 111, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what next I will do?
Yes, ma'am.
What should I do next?
And
No,
ma'am,
I'm
the
asking
last
about
node,
after that, what do I do?
the last node will
If I
point
connect,
to, because the first node is deleted, so the node 6 will now point to
2, for that, what
No.
no done? What should be done? What should be done? How do I point? Yes.
Last node will be connected to node 2, and the address of the node 6 will be changed last node.
No,
Like
address of the node 6 will be changed. Not address of the node 6 will be changed. The address of the node 6 is 555 only. This part, the
Instead of 001, there will be 111.
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
right?
Meant, ma'am, node dot next, I want to
Yes,
say.
sir. Yeah, no dot next, right? Okay. Now what about I want to delete this one? So what do I do now? Or
Now
deleting?
the tail will point to the node 5, so it will have 444. It will contain the address.
Okay. Yes. So what should I do? First thing I will see this one. So tail will point here. So you can update with 444 again. Now head this node was connected with the first node. So the node 1 should now point here, right? So for that, what would I do?
Node dot next will be 111.
So this is a C. So there is no, this we call it as node 5 now. So how do I reach here? So while deleting the first element, what you are doing, you are just from head pointer, you are just pointing to directly to the node dot next you are accessing. But while you are deleting the last node, you need to traverse all the way till this node, till the previous node. Then by keeping a reference as temp node, so we can call it as temp node dot next. We are updating with the value of head. Okay. So temp node is this one. Temp node dot next now is what the value of head will be there as 001. So that would be updated here. Okay. Now just forget about the previous deletions. At the starting of the start position. So I want to point this also here. So now this address would be, instead of 555, this will be 001, and tail should point here. So tail will be temp node's address, that is 444. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now let's see how to delete this one. So node 4 means you need to traverse till node 3. Okay. So, and what to do? So you just take till the location before that is node 3, and you are just pointing to this one. So temp node dot next equal to temp node dot next dot next. So this one you should keep it here, right? This 444 should be updated. That's why temp node dot next address is this address is 333. Temp node dot next is 444. So that I want to update here, so that I'll create a link between directly node 3 and node 5. Okay. Now let's come to deletion of the entire circular single linked list. So you need to keep head equal to null, tail equal to null, and also tail dot next also is null, right? If you see one this node, if you keep head and tail reference as null, then what would happen? There the connection between this and this will be gone if you consider only the single node. Now what if there are many nodes? So what we need to do is, along with dereferencing this, we also need to keep this also as null. Okay, so that this is now ready for the garbage collection, because it is not used by anyone. Okay, we are just removing the references from head to point this node 1, tail to node 1, and also tail dot next also we are pointing to null, right? In the single linked list, what was there? If you have a single node, you have already tail node dot next is null, right? Here we are just assigning that to be null. Okay, that's the idea. Now we will see the double linked list, the circular double linked list. Double linked list we have seen last class. We'll see the circular double linked list. So what is the idea behind circular double linked list? When we take traverse from node 1 to node till the last node, we have already have uh, have the facility of traversing back and forth, as well as we can traverse from last node to the first node, as well as from the first node to the last node. So all the way possibilities are there, the traversal, right? So for that, we'll see the various operations. Let's see how do we do insertion of a node. So in this case, since I'm taking the circular double linked list, so what should I do? Let's suppose I have an address of 111 here. So now I'm putting a node value as 5. Okay, so I'm for connecting, I'm just putting head and tail as 111. Okay, and node dot next would be what? The value of node. Okay, because it is a self referential node, which is you are creating a circular double linked list, right? So you need to traverse from both, the direction should be both ways, right? So you need to have a facility of traversing in this as well as this. That's why I'm keeping the address of this one as of now. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, means
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
means we
Yeah,
have to keep the address of previous node as well as next node, right?
next, right, yeah. So as of now, yes, so what we are doing is, now this is only the only node, right? So if you keep, earlier when we are creating the double linked list, we used to keep both of this node dot previous and node dot next as null, right? It was not pointing to anything. Okay, now since we are traversing in both way direction, then we can keep it as both as node, so that we have the reference, we can have the access to the next one. Okay,
Yes, ma'am, got it. Thank you, ma'am.
now let's see how do we insert. So in insertion, as for circular double linked list, when you want to insert a node at the starting of the at the beginning, okay, beginning of the linked list. So how do we do that? Let's suppose the address is 100 here, okay, and node value I'm giving as 5, right? So what are the things I need to follow? What would be
Ma'am,
no, yeah, node dot next.
head should be pointed to the new node.
Yeah, that is that is the next thing we will do. Actually, what should we have is, if we head directly first at, it will point to the next node, then we don't have any link between this one, right? So first we need to have a connection between this and this, then we can update the head, so that a link is connected between head and the new node. Okay, so for the node dot next, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So now what I do is, what would be the node dot next value? It will be updated with
001. 001.
right 001. So yeah, I'm keeping a 001 here. So link is connected between this new node and the new node and node one. Now what would be the node dot previous? This node dot previous, earlier this node 1 previous, that is this one, was pointing to which node? To the last node. So this value was updated here. So now this value will be updated in this new node. So node dot previous would be now 333, right? Okay, 333. Okay, fine. Now so we have gotten one connection between this one. So I want to have a reverse connection also. So now what would be so yeah, so one reverse connection between this one, and also a reverse connection between new node and this node one. Okay, so one when you are having the reverse connection between this, the new node and the node 4, for that what would you do? This is your tail value. Tail dot next would be what? tail dot next would be now 100.
100.
Yes, tail dot next would be 100, and for having a reverse connection between this one, we need to update the head dot previous. Okay, head is referring to head has the address of 001. Head dot previous you need to update with what node value. This again. Okay, so that a reverse connection between these two is established. Now what you do, I think that's it. That will be, we have gotten a both way connection between this new node and node 1, as well as both way connection between the new node and node 4. Okay, and we have updated already head, right? So that is it. Or anything left? Yes, that's it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, great. Okay, now let's see how do we insert at the end. Okay, so let's suppose we have address as 4, 4 and 4 here. So what should I do now? What would be my, I can insert any value as, let's suppose I'm inserting 50 here, and what would be my node dot next here now? Head was, let me just do one thing, that will be now clear. Okay, so let's suppose it is 4, 4 and 4 with value 50. So this node 1 was referring to this node 4 now. So node 1's address was kept here. Now node 1's address would be kept here, right? In the new node.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So new node
Yes.
next, new nodes next. So you can call it as node dot next is now head. So that is 0, 0, 1, right? And node dot previous is what? You need to have a connection between this and this. So node dot previous, you are how are you keeping this one? So address of this you will keep it here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So 3, 3, 3, right? So this is yeah, one thing. Then what should I do now?
And tail pointer should be point to the
Yeah, tail should be, I think, here now. Okay, so it will be 444, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes.
yeah, okay. So now, and what about this also we haven't gotten a reverse link. So this tail dot next will be updated with
444.
new nodes 444. Yeah, okay. I think that is it. All the things we have done, right? Till now. Yeah. So we have inserted a link, new node at the end of the linked list, doubly linked list. Now let's see how do we insert a node in between. Okay, so for inserting a node in between, what would you do? Let's suppose the address is 100 and you are inserting 25 here. Okay, so we need to have a both way connection between this new node and node 3 and new node and node 2. Okay, so you traverse till node 2. Okay, and what then node dot next address you keep it this one, right, which is temp node dot next value. So 222 you keep it here, right? Node dot previous, what would you put here? How do we get a
One,
connection?
One,
Yeah,
one.
so 111 is temp node. I can call it as a temp node, right? 111. Now similarly this you need to update for having both way connection. Okay,
100.
yeah, 100. So you can keep it as temp node dot next equal to node this value, and node dot next is this one, right? Node dot next, and node dot next dot previous is, you can call it as a node. Okay, so that way So node dot next is right. We have kept it as 222. So node dot next address is this, and the previous is 111, which you update with 100. Okay. So as this is the thing which goes by same thing. I'm not repeating it. So creating a blank node, then going to the location, which location you want to insert, and you are just updating. If it is 0, then you keep it as node dot next equal to head, node dot previous equal to tail, head dot previous equal to node, head equal to node, tail dot next. So what you do is you check all the conditions, right? So when you are creating a new node, you have to have the connection between at the starting, the connection between this new node and the next node, and new node and the last node, because this is the first node which will connect to the next node as well as the last node in the linked list. Then you have the reverse connection between the things which we have, the two nodes which we discussed. Again, head pointer also you need to upload. So if all the things are satisfied, then that's it. You have created a new node. Okay. Similarly, at the last, same rule you apply. Check all the conditions. If that is satisfied, then your node is created. Similarly, in between also. Okay. So yeah. Now let's go. Okay, I had a connection lost 1 minute. Is my screen visible?
Now it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me change my Wi-Fi. Just give me 1 moment. Yes, am I audible now? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Audible.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, it's visible, ma'am.
Okay. So for traversal also the way what we have done through single linked list and the circular and double linked list, it is as before. We are just checking if it is existing, then looking from head to tail and printing the current one. Similarly, we can do the reverse traversal also, because we have the access of traversing back and forth. So from tail to head also you can traverse and print the current node. Now you want to search, so you can search. So taking the temp node start to end and checking whatever node value you have given, whether it is available in your linked list or not. Okay. Now let's see the last thing, that is the deletion operation. So in the deletion also we can have whether we can delete the first node, delete the last node, or delete any node in between, right? Let's see. 1 minute. Let's see, I want to delete this node. So what are the things I need to do for deleting the last node?
Last node should be connected to the second node.
Yeah, node 2. So there will be a connection like that. So I can say uh, here, first thing is, okay, I need to have a connection between this and this. Head should point to the node 2. Okay, if I want to delete. So head is, you are telling about deletion, so head equal to head dot next now. Okay, now next is head dot previous. Should this tails value should be here, that is head dot previous, that is pointing here, so head dot previous is this one, so tail should point here. So you can say if you are keeping as instead of 001 you update with 333. Okay, the tail's address. Okay, then what you can do, this thing also we need to update. Now we need to keep the address of node 2 here, right? Okay, so this tail dot next would be now whatever head's address you have updated. Okay, that is the sequence. Yes, clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see, we want to delete this node, the node row. So what would we do now for deleting this one? So tail will be now 222, right? So
No,
tail is you can say tail was earlier pointing to 333, so tail dot previous is 222, so tail you can call it as 222, tail dot previous is 222. So this connection is established. Now tail dot next should be updated with this value, right? 001, right? Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Now, yeah. Now, along with that, this address, which the node 4's address was there at node 1 now. So now node 3's address would be there. That's why this 222 would come here. So you can call it as head dot previous as the value of tail which is now assigned, which is 222. Okay. Now let's see if you want to delete any node in between. So node 3 if you want to delete. So what would you do here? What is the thing we do first now? Yes.
Connection between node 2 and node 4.
Yeah, we need to have a connection between node 2 and node 4. For that we need to traverse till node 2 and here, so that we can call it as a temp node. And if we want to delete this node, that is what we have to have a two-way connection between this node 2 and node 4. Okay, so I can call it as temp node dot next. This one is temp node dot next dot next. So this is 222. So that temp node dot next next is 333. So that will be updated here. So if 333 is address of node 4, that means a connection between the node 2 and node 4 is established now. Then the reverse connection, so this I need to update. So temp node dot next is 333, right? So temp node dot next previous is 222, so that you are updating with 111, that is the temp node. Okay, so I'm having connection between the reverse connection between node 2 and node 4. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So the last one, if you want to delete the entire circular double linked list, so what you do is you are taking the tail dot next equal to null and looping from head to tail, and you are keeping temp dot previous also is null. That means what, last this one you are keeping as null, and also all the previous this values also you are keeping it as null. That means what, you when you are assigning head and tail equal to null, then this connection is lost, and you need to delete this one, means so it should not point to anywhere, right? So when you are traveling from forward direction, so all the temp dot previous should point to null as well. Okay, right? All the temp dot previous is null. Okay, and similarly at the end you can call it as a tail dot next also is null. Okay, so that this is, any node is not pointing to anywhere, so that they are ready for the garbage collection. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it for today. So we have seen the types of the linked list, and next class let me see whether we can go for the algorithm analysis, or I can take stack. I will let you know next class what are the things we are covering. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay then. Okay, then we'll end the session for today. Tomorrow we will meet again.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.